How building trust and actively addressing the needs of your clients will help elevate business sales. Trust is an intangible word that can mean different things to different people. But the overarching theme is that trust helps you build a solid relationship with your clients, coworkers, or customers. By actively trusting them and creating an atmosphere of trust within your team, company, or business as a whole, you will see immediate positive outcomes in business sales and general day-to-day operations. Trust gives you the freedom to sell. This means that you will have more confidence in your abilities and won't be afraid to ask for what you need from your clients or superiors in your business. This is a huge part of being successful in sales, and trusting your abilities will put you in a better position to close deals or create mutually beneficial relationships with your clients. If you're building trust and actively being transparent with your customers, you will feel more comfortable letting them know what your company is all about, what products or services you offer, and why you are the best choice for them and their needs. Freedom to sell allows you to put yourself out there and actively sell your products or services without feeling any pressure. When someone trusts you, they are more likely to commit to a business relationship with you for long-term business partnerships or for repeat business purchases. Additionally, when your clients feel that their needs are being met and that they can rely on you for support or assistance, they will be more likely to recommend your business or refer others to do business with you. Trust allows your clients to feel safe with their decisions. This safety comes from your clients knowing they can trust you and your business to honor your promises and deliver on what you promise. Once you have built trust with your clients, they will feel safe with their decisions and have full confidence in your promises and offerings. This will make them feel more comfortable with buying your products and services and make it easier for you to close sales and finalize deals with them. Trust does not come naturally with clients. It must be developed and cultivated over time. You can do this by actively communicating with your clients and letting them know that they can feel safe with their decisions. This will help them feel more comfortable being open with you and being honest with their needs and desires, which will make the sales process easier for all parties involved. Clients who feel safe with their decisions are more likely to invest in the products or services you offer, knowing that you care about them and their business goals. This will help build loyalty over time, as clients know that they can rely on you for top-notch customer service and quality products. Trust enables transparency in business dealings. This means that your clients will feel as if they can be open and honest with you and your team, and you should do the same with them. By being transparent, you are showing your clients that you have nothing to hide and that you are honest and upfront about everything, even the bad stuff. This will create trust and further open lines of communication between you and your clients and help establish a solid relationship for the long term. Communication is key when it comes to being transparent. This means that you should be fully open and honest with your clients about everything from your products, services, and honest mistakes. This will let them know that you are trustworthy and that they can fully trust you and your team to tell the truth, even when it's something they don't want to hear. Negotiations become easier when building trust. This is because your clients will feel safe and comfortable with the process, and you will have a better idea of their needs and desires. This will make the negotiation process easier and faster for both parties and will put you in a better position to close deals and finalize agreements. When it comes to building trust before negotiations, one of the best ways is to be open and honest with your clients, just as you would with transparency. Let them know that they can be open and honest with you, even if it's something they don't want to hear. This will allow your customers to feel safe being open and honest with you, which will make the negotiation process easier. Additionally, establishing a trusting business relationship with your customers from the onset lets them know they can come to you in times of trouble or need, which is invaluable for successful business relations. When done correctly, business sales and customer satisfaction can be expected to increase as trust is established between both parties. When negotiating, building trust can close the deal. When it comes to negotiating, trust can make all the difference. This is especially true if you're in a situation where you have less leverage or are dealing with a difficult customer. If you have built trust with your client, they will feel more comfortable trusting you and your word. This will put you in a better position to close deals and make getting what you want from the negotiation process easier. Moreover, by having an atmosphere of trust throughout the negotiation process, business owners can better identify potential issues or pitfalls before they become major problems, allowing for smoother sailing and successful business relations. Building trust is essential for successful business dealings, as it allows business owners to create mutually beneficial agreements that benefit both sides in the process. It is the key factor when negotiating, as it can make or break business deals. Conclusion: building trust is something that takes time and effort, but the benefits and impacts can be immense. When building trust with your clients, you must be open and honest with them, actively listen to their needs and desires, and actively work to fulfill them. For trust to be effective and impactful, it must be mutually beneficial to both parties and must be something that can be built upon. Trust takes time to build, but when done right, it can be a valuable asset for your company and help elevate business sales.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.